In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change hidden photos password on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And if we head over to Photos and then to Albums, we can scroll down until you find Hidden Album. Here it displays that lock icon next to it, which means that currently this album is locked. By default, if the album is locked, it is required to use a Face ID to get access to it. However, if you try to enter that album, and if it cannot recognize our face for 2 times in a row, it will allow us to enter a passcode. I can hear right there that. Then I can enter a passcode to get access to that album. Basically, guys, the key here is that a hidden album does not have a separate passcode. That's why the passcode of your iPhone is used to access to that album. And now I'm gonna show you how you can easily change it. To do that, head over to Settings. Then scroll all the way down until you find the Face ID and passcode. On that step, you will be asked to enter your current passcode. And then, if you scroll down, you'll find Change Passcode feature. If you tap on it, we'll be asked to enter our old passcode, and that's where we need to enter new one. I'm just gonna enter 11111 just to demonstrate you how it works. We need to enter it, then re-enter it to confirm it. And basically, that's it. That's how we can easily change our iPhone's passcode, and also a hidden photos album password on your iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.